Hi there. Today I'll show you how to create a landing page in ActiveCampaign with a simple step-by-step guide. Ready to follow along? Click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Site section on the left-hand menu and click on Landing Pages. Here you'll see a list of any existing landing pages or the option to create a new one. Click on Create a Landing Page to start a new project. ActiveCampaign offers a variety of templates. Choose one that fits your needs or start with a blank template if you prefer a custom design. Once you've selected a template, it will open in the landing page builder. This is where you'll customize your page to match your brand and goals. In the builder, you can add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Simply drag and drop to place them where you want. One key feature is the form integration. Connect your landing page to a form to capture visitor details. Click on the form block and select or create a form to gather the information you need. After customizing your page, click Preview to see how it looks. Make sure everything is perfect before moving on. Once you're satisfied, click Save and then Publish. You'll get a URL for your landing page that you can share in your campaigns or use directly. And don't forget to check out the free email list building course linked in the description below. Discover how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This valuable training is currently free, so grab the opportunity while it lasts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more ActiveCampaign tips and tutorials. Have questions or feedback? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.